and pizza. That's all. That's all I wanted, but no!
I'll take you and pick you up. It's not that big a deal.
It is a big deal, because Mom and Dad are not going to let me hang out at a pizza place without my big sister there to chaperone.
Not to worry, I'll talk.
Really? You'll do that?
Sure. Leave it up to me.
Hi, baby.
I liked him too. I wouldn't mind seeing them get back together again. Except for the fact that he is a pretty serious guy and he does have
But he's a responsible father. I like that.
You can forget the matchmaking.
You're smiling at Aunt Lucy.
No, Mary's supposed to go with Lucy and her friends.
Well, I can take Lucy to meet her friends and pick her up. I have a paper due on Monday. I need to go to the library anyway. I'll work while Lucy eats. Come on, how much trouble can she get into eating pizza?
I don't know.
Well, I guess
Looking
we
right
have
at
to start
me.
easing ourselves.
Not anymore.
It's some kind of big risk. I take full responsibility.
Why?
I was 14.
You looking at Mama? Yeah.